Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign in Wattpad account. So if you also want to sign in Wattpad account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Wattpad application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Wattpad has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have the account yet, you can also create the account for yourself by tapping on the sign up option. But if you already have the account and if you want to log into your account, you'll be able to find the login methods over here. You can either log in with Google, or you can also log in with Facebook, or you can also continue with your email or username. Simply select the login method that you used in order to create your account. Over here, I'm just going to enter my credentials and log into my account. So if you also want to do that, simply tap on the field of email or username. Now what you have to do is enter your email or username over here. Now after entering the email or username, simply enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you want to check your password, you can tap on the eye icon that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be able to check it. If you've forgotten your password, tap on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now, after entering the credentials, what you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now, you can see over here, you'll be logged into your Wattpad account. So that is how you log in Wattpad account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.